Hello, it is January 8th, 2017. I'm doing a MathBabbler bit. We do these things called POMs, palindromic odometer moments. We do them for two cars, the Buick and the toy Camry. And the Buick, the palindromic odometer moments are happening in increments of 100. And just a couple days ago, we had palindromic odometer moment 72,727, and it was the 93rd palindromic odometer moment for the Buick. Well, 72,727 is a prime number, and on top of that, it is undulating, and it matches this particular undulating pattern, ABABA, 72727, and it matches that pattern, so it's an undulating prime number. It is also a sexy prime with the number 72,733, not palindromic, but nonetheless this is a prime number. It differs by 6 with respect to that, so it makes it a sexy prime with our palindromic odometer moment. And then there are these groups called sexy prime triplets, and 72,727 is in the sexy prime triplet with 72,733 and the prime number 72,739. Notice that this prime number differs from that prime number by 6. So if we take our palindromic odometer moment prime number, add 6, we get to that, and if we add 6, we get to that. So these three numbers form a sexy prime triplet. With respect to prime numbers, we're interested in those prime numbers that when we set this expression equal to the number and we solve for n, we get a whole number, and that happens with respect to 72,727. If I set this expression equal to that and solve for n, we get the whole number 18,181, which just happens to be palindromic. Yeah. And I think it might be prime, but I haven't really looked into that. And then with respect to our palindromic odometer number 72,727, it's a superprime. And it's a superprime because it is in a prime numbered location in the prime number sequence. 72,727 is the 7,193rd prime number in the prime number sequence, and 71,093 is prime. So that makes our POM number here a superprime. It's also a strong prime number, because if you take the average of the prime numbers that come immediately before and after 72,727, you take the average, well, 72,727 is greater than the average of the predecessor prime and the successor prime, and that makes the prime number a strong number. A strong prime number, I should point out. So, I think that's all we have to say, kind of out of breath, for our most recent palindromic odometer moment for the Buick, the number 72,727, which just happens to be prime. End movie.